The first section is four options are given for each of these questions or incomplete statements. Choose one appropriate answer from them and write the complete answer in this with its letter. Okay, so you have to choose the right answer among the given options. First one is the soil is covering. This soil is covering largest area of Deccan Plateau. Okay, so this soil is covering the largest area of Deccan Plateau. ದಖನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನ ಆವರಿಸಿರುವಂತ ಮಣ್ಣು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಇದು. We'll see the options. Option A, black soil. Option B, red soil. Option C, alluvial soil. And option D, desert soil. Desert soil is seen in the desert areas. Okay, and alluvial soil is seen in the most part of India. The correct answer is option B, red soil, which is seen in the most which covers the largest area on the Deccan Plateau. So ದಖನ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಭೂಮಿಯ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೆಡ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ಕೆಂಪು ಮಣ್ಣು. ಓಕೆ,